Hello, welcome. Today I will show you the best ClickBank offer to promote. This is the best ClickBank offer to promote. First of all, search to the search bar. Click on the search bar. When you open your ClickBank, you click on the search bar. That is the best of all. You will see every best of them. Just click on the search bar and it will bring you all the offer. This one, I like to choose 10 offer from the first page, but you have to check this is require approval. This is require approval too before you can promote it, but they are good offer. You can promote 3, this one. You can promote this one 4. You can promote this one 5. You can promote this one 6. You can promote this one 7. You can promote this one 8. This is the one I always go for, but you can make it 10 if you want. Just choose from 1 to 10 is okay. Focus on 1 to 10 and test, because they are the best for now. From the 1 to 10, they are the best for now. Is the best. Okay, let's assume that you want to go for niche. Let's assume that you want to go for the niche offer. You want to promote a niche offer, and we're going to go for it. Let's see the niche offer that you are going to go for. The first one I'll always go for will be spirituality niche, because I have been promoting spirituality niche for a long time and it's giving me what I need. Okay, let's go for the spirituality niche. I have one offer in spirituality niche that is very, very good and effective, and I would like you to promote it if you approve, because also it is approval based, but you can easily be approved. Let's get the offer. That's the best one. Let's go. Let's go to the offer. Yes, this is the offer. This is the best of all, and you can promote it on social media. Best for social media. This offer is good. If you're a beginner, you go for the social media on the low amount, the low payout. Start from it as a beginner so that you'll be motivated to do more. This is the best one I always choose. Have a 63.4 gravity. Also, this is the best one. So make sure that you choose it. When you open it, what you need when you open it here now, let's open it again. I copy my link, my username. Let me generate my link. I click get your link, affiliate link. Then I paste my affiliate link. And this is my generated link. Either you use this first one or you use the second one, but free reading $7 PDR is the best for social media, while free reading 37 DNR is good for email. If you are collecting email from your landing page, but for a beginner, go for $7 when you're using social media like Instagram and TikTok. You can go for link generator, swipe, copy, AI generator. AI generator is for the email. You copy it and generate email. It will generate you email. If you're promoting from email, I always advise you to create a landing page with that you can collect email, because that one is for the long run, while direct linking is for short run. So this is the best to promote, but you can choose from 1 to 5 to promote, or you can choose anyone to promote. That is all is good. Let's go for health and fitness. I will show you the one I always like to promote, how I always see my offer. This is good, but it's approval base. I always go for gravity, high to low. When it comes to this, I always choose gravity. From 1 to 10, I have a good offer here. From 1 to 10 is a good offer. You can see it. You can see their rank. I always like this one. This one is approval base. This one is good also. This one is good also. And you can choose anyone that you want. The gravity is high. The EPC is also good. Don't even know that people are promoting it, but the one that have low EPC, people are not much promoting it. You go to e-business. Let's go to e-business. E-business, I always go for low ticket offer, because majority of them have return rate, a lot of return rate. I will go for low ticket offer here. But if you have a social media handle that you have a lot of people, you can go for high ticket offer. But as a beginner, you have to go for low ticket offer first, so that you can see if your first sale, second sale, third sale, fourth sale, and fifth sale, so that you can be able to withdraw from ClickBank. Just start from small, so that you can get the required amount to start withdrawing from ClickBank. It require 5 different credit card or PayPal. 5 people must buy your offer, different card or different PayPal accounts. So that's why I always advise a new beginner to go for low ticket offer, so that they can get those 5 to buy before you can go for high ticket offer. You can see it. You can see it. You can see the offer for e-business. You can choose anyone in the first page. I always go for first page offers. First page offers are is a great offer to promote. You have to go for that, because they are the best offer to promote. First page offer is the best offer to promote. I will, in my next video, I will show you how to get your landing page, how to create your landing page, how to rip your landing page, or you can create it. Let's go to another one. I think we are going to go for, let's go to self-help and see what you can see there. Let's look this again. I have a very good offer that I always like to promote here, and let me see it where we can get it here. Okay, let's go back. You can promote this from gravity. Let's choose from initial conversion. Let's go for initial conversion to promote a high ticket offer. I'm showing you this promotes high ticket offer. This is a high ticket offer, but I would advise you to go for low ticket as a beginner, so that you can get the 5 credits required before you can withdraw your money. When you've done that, then you can start promoting high ticket offers. High ticket offers, some of them are not, they have a lot of refund rates. Let's go for self-help first. Let's go for self-help. There are a lot of offers to promote here. This is good. This is good. Also, this is good. This is good. You can choose this. I like this always. I always promote this. I like it very well. It's convert for me a lot. People like it because it's an audio, it's downloadable, and it's not big refund rate. They have a low refund rate. You can go for it. Okay, that is so. Let's search for the keto diet. There's one offer of keto diet I always like, but I don't know whether it's here again because some of the vendors are not always on ClickBank. Some have left, or some the products have a high refund rate. They will always remove it. I always check but it's not here. It's not here. It's not here. It's not here. The Get Diet offer is not here. But maybe if I do not see it today, I will look for it later in my next video. I will look for it later in my next video. Let's check 7 days, right? Let's say let's say 7 days. I don't think it's 7 days. Keto. What's 21? Yeah, let's go 21 first. Let's go 21. It's not here. It's always a high gravity offer from first. Let's see, it's not here. Maybe my next video I will get it. I will make it right. My next video I will make it right. And that will be all for now. But always remember to go for what I told you. From when you open, you go for the search and get the best offer. Start promoting the best offer first. Maybe in my next video we will do more. I will show you more offer, the one I promote. I can show you the one I promote, the one I make money from. That is all for now. I think we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye. That is all.